Question number 2. Find the future value and compound interest on a deposit of OMR 5000 at a rate of interest 6% compounded half yearly for 3 years. So there is only one small difference between question number 1 and question number 2. See here, this is year, the numbers are the same, 5000, 6% and 3 years. Here it is yearly, so m equal to 1. In this question it is half yearly, so m equal to 2. Rest all same. P is 5000, R is 6%, which means 6 by 100 equal to 0.06 and n equal to 3. So this is our rule. FV equal to future value equal to P into 1 plus R by M power M into N. So 5000 into 1 plus R is 0.06, M is 2 power 2 into 3. So we use calculator. 5000 bracket 1 plus 0.06 divided by 2 power 2 into 3. So 5970.26. Okay, this is the compounded interest. Now if this is the future value, now if you want to find the compound interest, it is future value minus P. Okay, so 5970.26 minus 5000 will give you 970. So if it is half yearly, it is 970. In the previous question it is 955 only, so it is slightly less if it is yearly. Okay, that was yearly, and if it is half yearly, this is 970.26. Now question number 3, the same question, but we are changing this to quarterly. Find the future value and compound interest on a deposit of OMR 5000 at a rate of 6% compounded quarterly. Compounded quarterly means M equal to 4. Rest all is the same. So FV equal to P into 1 plus R by M power M into N. So P is 5000, R is 0.06 by 4. We know that M is 4 now. Power M into N, that means 4 into 3. 4 into 3 years. So if we calculate, it will be 5000 bracket 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4 power 4 into 3. So 5978.09. So this is the future value. Now if you want to find the compound interest, it is FV minus P, same like before, 5978.091 minus 5000. So you will get this 978.091. Now in the next question, it is the same question but compounded monthly. So here M is equal to 12. So what will happen? FV equal to P into 1 plus R by M power M into N. The same rule. Only thing is here M is changed to 12. Here also M is changed to 12. So the answer will be 5983.403. Now to find the compound interest, it is FV minus P. So this is the future value minus P is 5000. So 983.403.